What if you could earn $100 over and over again by swiping your phone to view, like, and comment on videos? It's actually quite a simple method that I'll explain later on. But to get started, all you need is a good internet connection, a computer, a tablet, or even a smartphone devices. Now, by using this strategy for just a few minutes per day, you can make a good money online, or perhaps your first ever money online if you're a complete beginner. This is actually a fresh new method of earning money online that I recently discovered, and I'm the only one who will be sharing it with you. And if you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll be giving you access to a bonus website where you may earn an extra $50 every single day. So stay for a while and make sure you learn everything I have to discuss, as this will surely help you make a huge extra income online. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congrats! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash the thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. To begin our strategy, I'd like you to have a look at these 4 various methods that you can accomplish in our first and main website. As you can see, you may watch various videos and advertisements on this website. Second, you can have fun by playing games. Third, you can participate and fill out surveys. And finally, you can use this website to earn money by shopping online. These are just the usual ways to make money on this platform. However, I'll show you later a feature of this website that you can utilize to earn a lot more money. So make sure you don't miss out on that and keep an eye out. Now, the actual name of the platform is called Zareclamy, and you may find it on the web at zareclamy.com. This is their homepage, and as you can see, you can make money online by using your phone, computer, or tablet. In addition, you will get paid wherever you are on the globe without any investment. That being said, since this app is available on your phone, it can be downloaded on both iOS and Android devices, since it's accessible on the Apple Store and Google Play Store, as you can see right here. Let's have a look at how Zareclamy works in general. As you can see, there are only 3 simple steps to earning money on this website. It says that you must first choose an earning option, such as viewing movies, taking surveys, playing games, registering accounts, and so forth. Second, if you have correctly completed the duties that this platform requires, you will begin earning on this platform. Finally, after you've accumulated a specific minimum amount, you can allow the website to process all of your earnings, and that's all there is to it. As you can see, we have a pretty fascinating website, and I'll walk you through it step by step, so you'll know precisely what to do to optimize your income using our technique. Make sure you stay attentive till the end and pay close attention so you don't miss anything crucial. Now, if you're interested in making money on the website, I urge you to sign up for a free account as soon as possible. To do that, all you have to do is to return to their homepage and click registration button at the top. After that, you'll direct it to this page where you can formally sign up. Now, you must enter your email address and password. However, if you want a better sign-up option, you can always use your Google or Microsoft accounts as seen on your left. This is what you're supposed to see next after you've made your account and logged in. This is your dashboard, and it's here that you can see all of your profits from this website as well as all of the tasks you may complete. But right now, I'd like you to click on this Earn button on the left side of your dashboard. Then it will bring you to this page where you may begin doing some of jobs from 4 main ways to make money on this platform. Once again, you can earn money here by watching videos, and to do so, simply click the button. After clicking that button, you'll be directed to this page, and as you can see, they have these available options right here. These options are actually companies that you can choose from, and they will be the ones that will give you videos and advertisements to watch. To fully demonstrate, I'm going to click on this option right here, and that will take me to an actual video that I must watch. Remember that you should watch the videos for as long as possible in order for your earnings to be credited and processed to your dashboard. That being said, I'll be providing you with some further ideas and tips later, which will assist you to speed up your work, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Back to what I was saying, I want you to give some important advice that you should use to make your work faster. So what you need to do is simply click on the settings button right here, and you can set up the speed up to ×2. By doing so, you're making your videos much faster to play, and this will of course save your time. Additionally, if you have slow internet connection, you could also lower the quality of your videos. So for instance, you could set the quality to 144 pixel, and that will essentially save you some internet data. So that's pretty much it for watching videos on Zareclamy. However, as you can see right here, there are also 3 other options like playing games, filling out surveys, and online shopping. So make sure you check those out as well. To further gain money on this platform, you can also apply the uncommon way to earn here, and that is by going to the referral program page by clicking on this button right here. Now, as you can see, you have your referral link shown right there. And this link is the key to helping you earn 12% of everything that your referrals make. That essentially means that if your referrals earn $100, you will earn an additional $12, which is a major win. All that's left to do now is to copy it and post it to other social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and other internet platforms that you know. Now, as I promised at the beginning, I'll be showing you a bonus website where you may earn an additional $50 every single day. So this is how the website, and it's now found at coinbase.com. When you get to their homepage, I want you to scroll down and locate this section right here. You'll need to click on this button right here that says Start Earning. And doing so will lead you to the next page right here. You may earn cryptocurrency while learning about it on this page. This website essentially provides a free tutorial, many free courses, and various videos about cryptocurrency. Essentially, we will get paid more money each time you watch videos and complete all of the free courses. All you have to do now is to watch all of their videos and take all their courses. This is actually a huge opportunity for you to make money online and learn everything there is to know about cryptocurrencies. So make sure you check out everything I've outlined, including all of the websites I've introduced to you, so you'll optimize all of your results of making online money. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Earning with Smartphones. Once again, enter the code word Earning with Smartphones, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words and other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.